Hey guys, it's Dr. Hub. Whether you're in medicine, from specialty to super specialty, allied sciences, or simply curious, this focus content it delivers the key points you need to know. Ribosomal assembly. So ribosomal assembly in case of prokaryotes. So ribosomal units it contains 30s. So 30s the components it includes the 60 sRNA plus the proteins. Next, moving on to the 40s. The 40s contains 18s rRNA with 30 proteins, 30s proteins. Next, 50s. 50s contains 23 rRNA, and this is along with the 5s RNA with the proteins. So to recap, we saw the ribosomal assembly, and in case of prokaryotes, in 30s there is the 16s RNA and it includes along with the proteins. Then in terms of 40s, it includes the 80s RNA as well as the 30 proteins. Next, moving on to the 50s, it includes the 23s RNA, the 5s RNA as well as the proteins. Next, moving on to 60s. In case of 60s, it is the 28s rRNA, and this is acting with the 5.8s RNA, and so the 60s it contains 28s RNA along with 5.8s RNA plus 5s RNA plus 50 proteins. Next, looking at 70s. 70s RNA, the components include 2, that is 30s plus 50s.